You buy the tiny car vacuum, then it quits before the back seat. Crumbs hide under rails, hair welds itself to fabric, and the cup holders still look gross. So this guide sorts power, tools, runtime, and cleanup tolerance. Match tools to seats and mats, battery to vehicle size, and bin size to your mess tolerance. Then choose. Number 1. Dyson V15 Detect. This is the one I'd buy if the car vacuum also has to earn closet space. It's a stick and handheld setup, so it can move from floor mats to dashboards. The tool mix matters: turbo brush, extension wand, and crevice tool. That makes seats, mats, and skinny gaps feel like one cleaning workflow. I like the car score here too, 8.1, because it backs the do-everything role. Its 9.9 filtration score is the dust-in-cabin reassurance, not a speed brag. But the trade-off is battery discipline on high power. So I'd use lower settings for full vehicle jobs, not hero mode the whole time. Skip it if you want tougher feeling plastic or maximum power cleaning without pauses. Number 2. Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Hate fighting a bulky handle around seat rails and consoles? I'd pick the V12 for the same Dyson-style workflow, but easier handheld maneuvering. It's still a stick and handheld vacuum with the important car tools: turbo brush, extension wand, and crevice tool. The standout is pet hair furniture performance at 8.5, which matters if fabric seats collect fur fast. It also lands at 8 for cars, so this isn't just a small vac compromise. The trade-off is the smaller dirt compartment. That means more emptying when crumbs, sand, or dry debris pile up. Skip it if you want the strongest carpet pickup in this Dyson group. Also skip it if watching battery level annoys you. Number 3. Dyson V8. This is the sensible Dyson if you want the car tools, not the newest Dyson build. I'd choose it for a dedicated handheld style kit that still handles seats, mats, and cracks well. The car score is a 7.8, which keeps it in the solid zone for routine interior mess. It brings a turbo brush, extension wand, and crevice tool in the listed setup. The 10 filtration score is its quiet flex for dusty cabin cleanup. Now the trade-off is age. Battery performance is the obvious limit, and full power sessions need restraint. The taller dustbin shape can also fight tight spaces. Skip it if you need fast recharge, long high power runs, or full household stick vac duty. Number 4. UltraCyclone Pet Pro Plus H951 H964 AMs. Compared with the Dysons, this is the grab-and-go handheld for cheaper, faster car resets. I'd pick it for floor mats, hard surfaces, and quick debris after school runs. It has a turbo brush and crevice tool, but no extension wand. The car score is 8.1, so the basic vehicle cleaning case is strong. Low-pile carpet pickup sits at 7.5, which fits mats better than plush fabric drama. The trade-off is control and longevity. There's one power mode. The battery score is at 5.2, and the battery isn't replaceable. Skip it if pet hair on upholstery is your main mess. Also skip it if fine particle containment matters more than low cost. Number 5. Black+Decker 16V Max Dustbuster Cordless Hand Vacuum. If your car mess is mostly cup holders, plastic trim, and tight gaps, I'd keep this simple. It's a handheld vacuum with an extension wand and crevice tool built around quick spot cleaning. The car score is 8.2, which is the best number here for that specific role. Because the tool is integrated, there's less accessory juggling before a small cleanup. The trade-off is fabric work. There's no turbo brush, so bigger seats and carpeted areas demand more passes. Recharge time and short battery life also make big cleanups feel planned, not spontaneous. Skip it if you want one handheld for larger upholstery jobs or serious mat brushing. If you want one vacuum for car and house, start with V15. If tight cabin handling matters more, go V12. If value matters inside Dyson, go V8. If budget rules, pick Shark for mats. If you want cheap spot cleaning, pick Black+Decker. Before buying, picture your worst mess. Pet hair needs a brush. Tight cabins need reach. Big vehicles need battery patience. Prices and stock change, so check before you buy. My pick for most buyers is the V15. Go V12 for easier handling, V8 for Dyson value, Shark for budget mats. Pick Black+Decker for simple spots. Links are in the description.